This is the SANDPIPER Destination Trailer. This is a luxury model made by Forest River. And it has smooth gray gel coat on the exterior, so it's nice and solid. You don't have to worry about any damages or that to it. It has a nice electric awning that rolls out, outside speakers. The advantage of a destination trailer is that you can move it yourself. You can hook it onto any 3/4 ton truck and move it wherever you'd like it to go. This unit has a nice kitchen in it, lots of cabinetry, lots of storage, big refrigerator, freezer, refrigerator, ice maker, water dispenser. This has a island, hard surface tops. This has a drop down extension for your cabinetry if you want to get it out of the way. A lot of storage underneath. Large farm style sink with high rise. This is our model number 6868-24. All the cabinets are soft close so they don't slam. 30-inch microwave. This has got a large freestanding range, gas range, with full oven, so you can bake in it, cook in it, make cookies. And of course, the exclusive hidden pantry. This gives you tons of room, tons of storage, right off the edge of your kitchen. Room for brooms and pantries and staples, whatever that you might want to have. And this is all hid behind the area that normally is reserved just for the TV, entertainment center, and fireplace. So you're not losing anything on the wall when you have that. This has got a table and 4 chairs, high back chairs, nice double leather recliners. This has got a leather sofa sleeper. Again, lots of windows. You can see out about any place you want to look. Blackout shades, ceiling fans. This unit has 2 air conditioners, one in the living and one in the bed area. Beautiful trailer. Bathroom in here has a porcelain toilet. This has a nice walk-in shower with fold-down seat and glass shower door. Storage above your hard surface countertops on your vanity. This unit has a gas furnace. This is also a loft unit. So you have a stairs going up, storage at the top of the stairs. Could be used for a bedroom, could be used for storage. You have a lot of storage cabinets up here. You got your double mats, storage in the front. Great when guests come over, kids, grandkids, or just a place to store your wares. You got a hard door going into the bedroom with a step down to give you that extra height in the loft. And this unit has a full house king size bed. You have a nice chest of drawers with 6 big drawers in it. Prepped for a wall for a large screen television. This unit has a washer and dryer in the bottom of the hanging closet. So you have a nice big 6-foot closet for hanging, and the washer and dryer on the bottom. And these are front loaders. So it's just like having your washer and dryer at home. Again, this is the SANDPIPER luxury destination trailer. By Forest River.